Hey Salam, I hope you guys are well. Al-Altraf is back for another video, and this time I'm making chocolate lava cake. This is one of the best desserts ever. Now I have made chocolate lava cakes in the past where I served it with ice cream, strawberry cutie, etc. But today I'm making a classic version of chocolate lava cake. I'm gonna serve it with a bit of the chocolate sauce and pistachios. It's gonna be amazing. Without further ado, let's get started. Chef presents. First of all, we're gonna start by melting our chocolate and butter. I'm using here dark chocolate that has at least 50% of cocoa. Try to use a good quality chocolate and your lava cakes will be amazing. You want to roughly chop the chocolate so it is easier to melt along with our butter. Now you want to grab a bowl and with your chopped chocolate, your butter. Now this goes on to a simmering water. Now I'm just gonna let it sit there for a minute so it starts to melt, and then we're gonna start mixing everything. Alright, now give this a mix. Alright, so this is beautifully melted now. Just want to turn off the heat and remove it. Careful, it's hot. Just make sure to clean the bottom. You have this beautifully melted chocolate. We're just gonna leave it to our side for now. In another bowl, crack in 4 large eggs. Break the egg yolks, and you want to whisk this until it starts to change its color. Give it the sugar, good touch of vanilla extract, and give this a mix again. Now mix in the melted chocolate and butter. Now using a spatula, just clean off all that chocolate. I'm just gonna add that in. Mix properly. Now we're gonna start adding our dry ingredients. Here with a touch of salt. And we're gonna sift some flour. Not too much, just a little bit. We don't want to turn this into a cake. This is a lava cake. Mix and combine this. Now this is the perfect time to preheat your oven to around 230 Celsius. For lava cakes, you need to preheat your oven. Lava cakes cook at high temperatures. Alright, that looks amazing. Just clean off the sides using your spatula here. Just set that to a side while we prepare our cooking pots. Now to cook our lava cakes, I'm using here these steel molds. You can also use ramekins. For ramekins, you just need to butter and then dust it with cocoa powder so they can easily come out of the mold. You want to apply some of this butter inside. And I've got this parchment paper that I'm just gonna place inside. This will ensure our lava cakes won't stick to this mold. Grab your baking tray, align this with parchment paper, place the mold here. Now you want to add in 2.5 scoops of the mixture into there. Now this goes into a preheated oven at 230 Celsius for around 11 minutes. I'm just preparing here some of this chocolate sauce using some dark chocolate and milk. Alright, so our lava cake is done. I'm just gonna carefully remove this from this baking tray. Let's remove this covering as well. And some powdered sugar on the top. Some of this chocolate sauce on the top. Some of these pistachios if you like. Alright guys, I'm gonna try this. Look at that beautiful lava. Bismillah, this is one of my favorite desserts. The amazing flavor of dark chocolate, so warm. A bit of these pistachios. One of the best desserts ever. A delicious chocolate lava cake. And this is one of the best recipes that you're gonna try. No lie. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe, make sure you like. Inshallah, see you next time. Until then, salam. Make for your mom, make for your dad, make for your family. Enjoy.